Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina's visit to India, which highlighted the deep cultural and historical ties between the two nations. Prime Minister Hasina and PM Modi engaged in discussions aimed at boosting bilateral relations in defense, economy and technology, resulting in significant agreements. This visit, the first by a foreign leader since India's new government took office, strengthened mutual cooperation and emphasized the strategic partnership that has grown since Bangladesh gained independence in 1971. Take a look. Bangladesh's Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina undertook a notable two-day journey to New Delhi, where she received a formal welcome at Rashtrapati Bhavan, the official residence of the President of India. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi warmly received her, laying the groundwork for a series of important engagements. During his stay, Sheikh Hasina paid tribute to Mahatma Gandhi at Rajghat, symbolizing the enduring values of peace and non-violence that bind Bangladesh and India together. The leaders then held extensive talks involving delegations, focusing on bolstering bilateral relations across various fields. A pivotal moment of the visit was the signing of multiple agreements aimed at boosting cooperation in defense, economy and other key sectors. Sheikh Hasina and Prime Minister Narendra Modi oversaw these signings, highlighting their joint commitment to mutual prosperity and regional stability. Among the agreements exchanged were pledges to foster a digital and green partnership for sustainable development, illustrating shared aspirations for technological advancement and environmental protection. These agreements and renewed memoranda of understanding across diverse sectors represented a significant stride in strengthening the strategic partnership between India and Bangladesh.
আজকে আমরা দুই পক্ষ যে আলোচনা করেছি অত্যন্ত ফলপ্রসূ আলোচনা আমরা করতে পেরেছি এবং বৈঠকে আমরা অন্যান্য পারস্পরিক স্বার্থ সংশ্লিষ্ট বিষয়ের মধ্যে রাজনীতি ও নিরাপত্তা, বাণিজ্য, সংযোগ, অভিন্ন নদীর পানি বণ্টন, জ্বালানি ও শক্তি, আঞ্চলিক ও বহুপাক্ষিক সহযোগিতা নানা বিষয়ে আলোচনা করেছি। বাংলাদেশ আমাদের রূপকল্প আমরা এবার ঘোষণা দিয়েছি, কারণ একটা লক্ষ্য স্থির না থাকলে সামনে এগোনো যায় না। আমরা স্মার্ট বাংলাদেশ 2041 সালের মধ্যে গড়ে তুলব আর ভারত বিকশিত ভারত বিকশিত ভারত 2047।
During the bilateral discussions, India and Bangladesh signed an MOU to expand transit facilities, allowing Bangladeshi goods to transit through the Indian Railway network to Nepal and Bhutan. Both nations also agreed to expedite the implementation of the Bangladesh-Bhutan-Nepal-India Motor Vehicle Agreement to boost sub-regional connectivity. Additionally, they discussed cooperation on counter-terrorism, border management and other relevant issues.
हमने काउंटर टेररिज्म, कट्टरवाद और बॉर्डर के शांतिपूर्ण प्रबंधन पर अपनी सहभागिता को मजबूत करने का निश्चय किया है। इंडियन ओशन क्षेत्र के लिए हमारी विजन समान है। इंडो पैसिफिक ओशन इनिशिएटिव्स में शामिल होने के लिए बांग्लादेश के निर्णय का हम स्वागत करते हैं। हम बिम्स्टेक सहित अन्य रीजनल और अंतर्राष्ट्रीय फोरम पर भी अपना सहयोग जारी रखेंगे।
Sheikh Hasina's visit marked the first state visit by a foreign leader since the formation of the new government in India. India and Bangladesh share a long and multifaceted relationship shaped by historical, cultural and geographical ties. Post-independence, Bangladesh emerged as a separate nation in 1971 following a liberation war with Pakistan, during which India provided crucial support. India was the first country to recognize Bangladesh's independence, marking the beginning of diplomatic relations between the two nations. Since then, bilateral ties have evolved significantly, encompassing trade, defense, connectivity, and people-to-people exchange.